Right, so these guys right here, they bought a bank for 35 million euros, as you see here. They're also planning on hiring 100 people by the end of the year, right? And they're called Rova, they're a fintech. And what they did is, and what they're doing at the moment to grow their business is they're leveraging AI to produce content, in this case in Portuguese, because they're targeting the Portuguese market, as you see here, to produce tailored content to rank their site on Google to get more users. Now, again, they just bought a bank, so they're a multi 7-8-figure business, right? And they were hiring a lot of people. And I want to go over exactly what they did, how they did it, and why they did it, right? But again, these are results, right? Ranking in just a few months, right? For over 160 keywords. And this is the most impressive thing right here. Isn't the traffic value, is the growth rate of the traffic, because if this stays like this, it's going to be going exponential, right? This is an old screenshot, by the way. And again, this is all done with AI. Now, before I go over the details, I will go over backstory. So they are, again, a bank, right? And they make money, right, by users signing up for their app, and they have a paid plan in there, right? They serve both individuals like me and you and businesses. Again, that's how they make money. That's how they are able to afford a bank for 35 million euros, right? A lot of money. And what they did is essentially they're targeting the Portuguese market. And unfortunately, Portugal is one of the countries in Europe, not in the world, but in Europe, where there is a lot of financial literacy. So we are, unfortunately, illiterate when it comes to personal finance, taxes, how to save money, how to invest, right? It's just the reality of Portugal because we've never been taught that in schools, right? And I guess all throughout the world, right, financial literacy isn't a thing that people are very aware of, but in Portugal, it is very few, right? Very few people know what stocks are, how to invest their money, how to save their money, what type of taxes you need to pay, how you pay them. And so what they did is they leveraged AI to produce content for their blog, right, in Portuguese, targeting these specific keywords. They use this AI right here, right, to produce the content. This is the, I'm sure you've used ChatGPT in the past, and you input stuff there and it gives you the output. This is the input for this tool, right? This is the all input. You select how many articles you want. If you want videos in the articles, if you want images, if you want links, a bunch of stuff right here. And it pumps out something like what I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you this for the golden retriever niche, but this works for any niche. You give the input to the AI, and it produces content like this one, with featured images, a table of contents, proper content structuring, as you see here, with in-article images, internal links, external links, bullets, tables, quotes, in-article images, even videos, right, as you see here, that are tailored to what the content is about, right? Links to Shopify stores, right? All this is a great piece of media produced right here, a great piece of article. And it did this for the Portuguese market, right? And because in Portugal, there is quite a bit of demand for this, but not enough supply, right? Not enough people writing about this. They were able to rank quite easily and secure this growth, right? And again, I'm not saying they bought a bank for 35 million because of AI, but it's quite interesting to me that you can leverage the exact same strategies these guys are using to grow their multiple 7-8-figure business and apply them to your own business, right? These guys are literally using this AI right here. They're a customer of ours. By the way, I own this software, and they're producing content for their brand using this. By the way, brand is a very important word here because you are able to connect your brand with the AI. And as you know, a brand is made out of assets, right? Your website is an asset, your LinkedIn page is an asset, your Facebook page is an asset, any text documents you have, even audio documents, right? These are all brand assets. And what you can do is you can connect the AI with your brand. So now the AI is able to produce brand tailored content using your own brand's tone of voice, your own brand's mannerisms, your brand's images, right? So it's able to produce non-ChatGPT generic content. It produces actual brand tailored valuable content. It's as if essentially the AI knows as much as you do about the brand, right? You being the owner and CEO. And so again, it's pretty cool that the strategies that they're using to grow their search marketing efforts with SEO are the ones you can just replicate just by signing up to this software or just by using AI as a whole, right? And yeah, they're using it, and that's how they're doing it and why they're doing it, and it's pretty cool and pretty interesting to me. Now, before I go, I want to give you an analogy, right? You got to think about AI, right, as a wrench, right? A wrench you can use to do stuff faster. So yes, you can tighten up a bolt with your hand, or you can just use a wrench to do it faster, do it more effectively, right? And so why would you be doing an SEO manually? So if there are all these steps you have to go up to reach success, right? Success is money, right? Doing the keyword research, then doing the content writing. Then, okay, once the post is written, okay, now I gotta add images, but where am I gonna find the images? Where am I gonna find the videos? Then, okay, I have the images, the videos, and I wanna add links. So I want this post that I just created to link to other posts of mine, maybe link out to my homepage, maybe link out to my contacts page. And also I want it to link out to external sources, right? So internal links, external links. Then I want to syndicate this to social media, right? And then index it. It takes so much time. And by using AI, you skip ahead of the line, right? Because AI is nothing more than a technology, right? A technology you can leverage to skip ahead of the line, right? Just like the wrench right here, which you can use to tighten up more bolts faster, AI is the same thing. AI just allows you to be more productive, do more things faster. That's just reality of it. And this is not just applied to the online world, it applies to the real world, right? Tesla is making robots, right? That can work 24-hour shifts instead of like 8-hour shifts, 8-hour shifts, right? So they're able to do more faster. And that's the thing about AI, you're able to do much more faster. And this AI in specific, by the way, it does all this for you. It does the keyword research. If you go here to keyword monitors, add your site, add your language, add your country, it gives you a list of keywords you can produce content for, right? And then based off of these keywords, you can have the AI generate content for you, right? You can even set up an automatic blog right here that automatically on the back end generates however many articles you want and posts them to your site every month, weekday, 12 or 6 hours. So most people just do 5 every week, so Monday through Friday. But again, what you're doing here is you're connecting this AI with your site right here, and it's doing the keyword research, then it's doing the content generation, then the content publishing, then the content indexing, and as soon as the posts are published to your site, right, they're automatically syndicated to your social media platforms. That's LinkedIn, Twitter, which is now called X, and Facebook, right? All of this on autopilot. It is pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Give it a go. I'll leave a link down below for this in the description. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know as well. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.